The basics of Excel. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. It is used to perform calculations, create charts and graphs, and store and manipulate data. Here are some basics of Excel. Cells. The basic unit of an Excel worksheet is a cell, which is the intersection of a row and a column. Each cell has its own unique address, which is defined by its column letter and row number, example, A1. Formulas. Formulas are used to perform calculations in Excel. They can be simple or complex and can include functions and operators. Formulas are entered into cells and are displayed in the formula bar at the top of the worksheet. Functions. Functions are predefined formulas that perform specific calculations. Excel has a wide variety of functions such as sum, average, and count that can be used to perform common calculations. Charts. Excel can be used to create a wide variety of charts and graphs, such as bar charts, line charts, and pie charts. Charts can be customized with different colors, fonts, and styles. Formatting. Excel allows you to format cells, rows, and columns in a variety of ways, such as changing the font size, and color. You can also apply conditional formatting to highlight cells that meet specific criteria. Sorting and filtering. Excel allows you to sort and filter data in a worksheet. Sorting arranges data in a specific order, such as alphabetical or numerical. Filtering allows you to display only the data that meets specific criteria. Pivot tables. Pivot tables are a powerful tool in Excel that allows you to summarize and analyze large amounts of data. They can be used to create reports and analyze trends.